Visit kalakawa.com for unique creative t-shirts. Apply promo code TS15 to get 15% discount. Hey, what's up travelers? Welcome back to another vlog. This is the most awaited full travel video of Korigada. I hope you have watched out its trailer. If not, I am mentioning its link. And if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We started early in the morning from Navi Mumbai, and as usual, Mumbai-Pune Expressway was looking damn awesome. As we entered in the Lonavala, initially weather was foggy and then eventually sun made its appearance. The fort is located in Lonavala near Ambi Valley. And finally, after the journey of 2 hours, we reached to the destination. Sun was shining in the sky and it made eye-catching contrast everywhere. Colorful flowers and long roads was making our walk very interesting. Initially road was clear and there were no patches at the beginning of the trek. As we moved further, we came across small jungle patch. Jungle was not so dense compared to the jungle we crossed during the Pep Fort. If you haven't watched the vlog of Pep Fort, then I am mentioning the link. Please go and check the vlog. We were moving further and came across small watercourses. We crossed them easily. The overall rough patch was for around half an hour and it didn't take much to pass them. I was traveling with my friends Praveen, Rohit, Pratik and Mahesh. We already knew that this trek is not about difficulties, it's about the nature and sceneries. That's why most of us wearing the casual outfits. At this point, we almost walked for a kilometer and we reached at the extreme end of jungle. In almost 15 minutes, we reached at the base of the fort. As we were moving further, jungle became slightly dense. The only thing to make sure while walking in such ground is you have to make sound by tapping your feet. So if any snake or insect is there in your path, will feel those vibrations and may move in case if you are not so unlucky. During our Pep Fort trek, my gimbal was damaged and hence in this vlog I was not able to shoot stable videos. You may find some shaky video shots. Jungle patch has some small water bodies and the overall jungle patch is around for 15 minutes. The overall trekking difficulty level of Korigada is easy. Any normal person can do this trek easily with the proper gear. This trek has plenty of good places to get some good clicks. After walking for an hour, finally we reached at the base of the Korigada. We found this board mentioning all the details about the fort and its history. You can pause this video and read if you want. From here there are almost 600 steps till the top of the fort. These steps are full of water and become slippery if you visit Korigada in the monsoon. Since it was a Sunday, we met few more trekking groups from different parts of Maharashtra. Most of them were from Pune and Mumbai. After reaching halfway, we found some waterfalls. This waterfalls runs with full flow during monsoon. This trek is all about historic monuments. First we found caves. We could not made into caves due to safety. At this point we almost passed 300 steps and we were moving ahead. After some time we found small old Ganesh temple. And from here fort was about 20 minutes. As we reached at the top of the fort, the rampart of fort came into vision. It was thick and long. From this point, view was awesome and we did click some photos. We were close to the top of the fort and we found many eye-catching views from the top. Watch the cinematic shots of fort and together we'll explore them. Hey, wait. Where are you going? Come back. To enter into the fort, we passed through the Ganesh Darwaja. It's a huge vintage door. Usually you found these doors open. After passing this door, there are around 20 steps. The point where steps end is the point where you will come back after completing whole round of the fort. We took right turn and started exploring. At the top of fort, there were local people who sell water and juice. We found tractor but not found any farm. There were sitting arrangement same as we can see in the garden. Clouds were almost touching to the fort. Unfortunately, there wasn't raining. We started to look around and exploring along with the road attached to the rampart. The view was awesome and we can see Ambi Valley from the top. At this point, we were expecting to have drone with us to capture that view, but unfortunately we did not. At this point, we thought we completed half of the fort, but we were wrong. When we moved further, we found caves, cannons and dead ends. After some time, we found small caves having water storage tanks in it. We were not sure about the quality of water. Few steps ahead, there were two water reservoirs. These lakes were giving amazing view and there was sitting arrangement for enjoying this view. Sun was above our head. We took a break and we decided to get fresh air and take some photos. One water shot on face made us felt relaxed. While exploring the fort, we found a cannon heading towards west. It weighs in tons. Yesaji Kank was the only vintage Maratha warrior who had the capability to carry this much heavy cannon from the base to the top of the fort. Further moving, we saw a cave and moved towards it. These steps are steep and needs care while stepping down. We were not having food from the morning, but our passion towards exploring made us walk without getting tired. At this point we realized it is not a cave, this is something else, but still we decided to go and check. We stepped down. From a distance it was looking like a cave, but later after reaching at the point we found it's a dead end. Then by walking off-road we planned to get back to the road alongside of Rampart. We climbed some rocks and crossed some patches which you may not found if you are going off-road from the regular route. Every road has its own story. Even if we were not on regular road, we were experiencing good nature vibes and enjoying scenic beauty. Whoosh sound of wind, contrast of flowers and difficulties of road, making our journey interesting. At some distance, there is a point where we can see Ambi Valley clearly. This trek is not much about difficulties, it's about exploring. One may explore many things here. We were almost at the end of our journey. We were able to see the point where we had started, and we reached. With that said, Travel Shots is signing off for this vlog. We'll meet you soon with new travel videos and places. Till then, work, travel and explore. And don't forget to subscribe to Travel Shots.
रेडी चला 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 आता चला मैं उठ चला उठ उठ